Smartphones can run out of battery in just 30 minutes if you're not using the right tips and tricks. Imagine being stuck with a dead phone in the middle of an important meeting or while navigating through an unfamiliar area. This is a common problem many of us face. But what if I told you there are quick tech tips and smartphone hacks to extend your battery life? From adjusting your screen brightness to turning off location services, we'll explore the top tips to keep your phone charged. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of smartphone hacks. First, let's talk about the basics. Turning off unnecessary features. You can save up to 20% of your battery life by simply turning off Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when not in use. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that the average person checks their phone over 100 times a day? Each time you check your phone, you're using up precious battery life. To minimize this, try implementing a no-phone zone in your home, where everyone puts their phones on silent mode. This simple hack can save you a significant amount of battery life in the long run. Next up, let's talk about screen brightness. Did you know that a bright screen can drain your battery up to 50% faster? To combat this, try adjusting your screen brightness to a lower setting or using auto brightness. This can save you up to 10% of your battery life per hour. But wait until you hear what comes next. Did you know that some apps can drain your battery life faster than others? To minimize this, try closing background apps or using a task manager to prioritize your most used apps. This can save you up to 20% of your battery life per hour. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that using a power saving mode can actually decrease your battery life. This is because power saving modes often limit the performance of your phone, causing it to consume more power in the long run. To avoid this, try using a more conservative power saving mode or simply turning off unnecessary features. But that's not the only way to extend your battery life. Did you know that upgrading to a new battery can increase your phone's battery life by up to 50%? To do this, try contacting your phone's manufacturer or purchasing a new battery online. This can be a cost-effective way to extend your battery life and avoid buying a new phone. And let's not forget about the importance of proper charging habits. Did you know that overcharging your phone can decrease its battery life by up to 20%? To avoid this, try unplugging your phone when it reaches 100% charge. This can help extend the life of your battery and keep your phone charged for longer. So, there you have it. The top quick tech tips and smartphone hacks to extend your battery life. By implementing these simple hacks, you can save up to 50% of your battery life and avoid buying a new phone. Remember, it's all about being mindful of your phone's battery life and taking the necessary steps to extend it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to like and comment below.